Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 switch user option missing. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run Add Administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand policies. Click System. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type Hide Fast User Switching, change value data to 0. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.